Okay, this is the Dragon Boat races of Bud Light against Theo's Pizza. It's the 31st of July, and
let's go Bud Light!
And this is everybody cheering. This is everybody cheering. And they're way over there. So, and then they're gonna have to race all the way down there, and then all the way back, and then they have to do it twice. It's okay. And then there's like drummers and a flag catcher and stuff. So they're gonna start now, and they're in the green boat.
This is cool. Like with this lens, I can actually see them. Oh, am I in the wrong spot? Am I good here? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, they're gonna start like right now in like 5 seconds. And the buoys are where they start.
Are they going?
Yeah. Just wait. There's a gun that's gonna shoot off, and then they'll go. Okay.
Where?
They're gonna start.
No, she's fine.
Right.
Let's go,
Okay.
well, that's fine.
Right. Right now, they're going. Okay, they're right there.
Let's roll! Let's roll! Let's roll!
Come on, Bud Light!
You got it! Let's go, Bud!
Come on, Bud Light! Woo!
Let's go, Bud! Let's go! Here we roll.
Here they coming.
Let's go, Bud Light!
Let's roll! Let's go, Bud Light! Let's go! 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 Woo! Come on, Bud Light!
Let's go, Bud! Woo! Go, Bud Light! They got him by him.
Yeah, Bud Light, go!
Unless they miss the flag.
No, they won't miss it.
Turn! Turn!
They'll get it.
Jump off! Stupid.